Hi, today I'm going to show you how the keyboard extension's AutoClicker works in Roblox. For this example, I've chosen a server where you really can't win without an AutoClicker. Let's select it from the list of tools and get started right away. It's perfect for quickly racking up experience points. At the bottom, you can adjust the AutoClicker's speed. At the top, you can choose which button to use: the left mouse button, the mouse wheel, or the right mouse button. Just below that, you can switch between single-click and double-click modes. However, what you actually want is an AutoClicker for the left mouse button with minimal delay, so you can level up quickly in the game. And yes, you can use it not only for Roblox, but for any other game too. Head over to the Keyboard Extension Installation Guide and discover a whole new level of gaming experience.